So my name's Patrice, and I work with young people in care, and I manage a home. I'm a support worker. Pardon? I am on the academy. Yeah, I've been on it. It's amazing. The network is great. The mentors are great, and you've got all the help that you need at the touch of your phone. Yeah, it's really good. I can't recommend it enough. The network, definitely. Yeah, you're always meeting new people. You're learning things not only from the academy but from the people as well. And I've gone all blank now. The learning online, the portal's amazing. Yeah, really good. Mentors are great, they're really helpful. You can book them as much as you like, they don't make you feel any kind of way. You can just, book as many as you want. Yeah, great. I've crewed for the academy as well, so I've been quite close to him, but yeah, no, he's a really nice guy. Pardon?
Anyone who's thinking about getting involved with the academy?
Just do it. Yeah, invest in yourself. That's the key thing you can do in anything is invest in yourself. And everything will follow.